Today we're going to be opening up 4 Pokemon Go packs.
Just a random opening. Hunting for some rainbows.
I see something.
I hope you see what we need. When you see something,
We're gonna get a
say something.
ooh. Next pack.
Was there no code card?
Yeah, there was.
Some of them, no. Yeah, just leave it right there.
Okay.
The last 10 I opened, 2 packs had code cards and 2 packs did not have code cards.
What? Real?
If you guys see the screen wobbling and moving a little, it's because I'm holding the tripod. We're trying to figure out a better angle here.
Yeah. Ooh, I see something from the top.
I said that earlier, dude.
Yeah, well, this one might be good. I think I see you black.
Rainbow.
Ooh,
Whoa, that's a
slacking.
picture of you.
No, it's not. No. Oh, sorry, I did not do the code card.
If you miss them, we'll just do them at the end.
Yeah, maybe.
Man, these $10 Walmart tins are duds. Still need the same 7 cards. 6 cards.
I hope we can get something good.
Most likely not. Articuno.
Yeah.
Can't wait for Crown Zenith to pull the birds from the bird tins.
Especially
They're
that.
not promo cards.
What?
They're not promo. From what I heard, they're not promo. They're alt art cards at the front of the tin.
I mostly just want to pull that Pikachu.
Oh yeah, from the Precious Collection.
Yeah.
That's a nice Pikachu.
Come on, we gotta end this video off with such a good hit.
I think you got the good hit.
And here's the code card.
Grab a pack of something else. Come on, we gotta get something.
Okay, let's finish it off.
How about Astro?
Astro?
Okay, no silver.
Okay, yeah, we'll do silver.
Come on, Lugia!
Come on, gotta catch that Lugia.
You gotta catch him.
I've been chasing it. Literally, I've been asking my dad if we can literally open maybe all of our Silver Tempest.
What if we get the rapping Lugia instead? Yo, yo, yo!
You never know.
I need some trainer galleries. 4 Seal Stone.
And here is the...
Oh, we could put that in our deck, actually.
Yeah.
Let's open an Astral as well.
Okay, let's do
Going
it.
with the long video, we might as well make it long.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. You grab 2, grab 2.
Okay, fine.
Do a pack battle. Pack battle!
Okay. Who's gonna win?
Not me.
Yeah, I'm doing it for you.
My hand's getting tired.
Oh, well, we're almost done with the video.
At least it's a black border.
Yeah.
Stop showing them the borders. Nobody wants to see that stuff.
Okay. Ooh.
Everyone's like, don't show us the code cards. Because we don't want to know.
Come on.
Ooh, that's a nice Voltorb, actually.
We got something in this pack.
Yeah, bunch of Pokemon.
Ooh.
Another picture of you.
We actually haven't gotten this.
Yeah, we've never pulled that card. Orangaroogie.
So it looks like I might have beat you, maybe.
don't know what that means. I'm holding a tripod. I'm not even pulling anything. So yeah, clearly you won.
Okay, I'm gonna put the code card on the side. And if I do not show you a code card from the last pack, I'll do it at the end.
Last pack magic.
And I'll end the video off with.
At least it was a hollow, so it's a black border.
Here's a code card
I'm
for
still not satisfied,
this
man.
pack.
I'm not satisfied.
And then
I'm not satisfied.
other pack.
I'm not satisfied. Let's get Brilliant Stars.
Okay.
We're running low on Brilliant Stars.
Ooh, I got 2.
Nah, just 1. We're running low on Brilliant Stars.
Okay.
What else do we have in here?
We'll do the Dion.
Got a lot of Astral Set in there.
Yeah, as well as Silver Tempest actually.
Gotta start refilling.
I agree. Now?
Alright, last pack for sure.
Yeah. We're gonna get something better.
Last pack magic.
Oh.
Alt Art Charizard.
Yeah. Charizard, help us.
Radiant Charizard and Crown Zenith. Can't wait.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look awesome.
Keep the cards in the frame. Radiant Charizard. They should have put that one in Pokemon Go set.
Yeah.
That one's such a nicer. Well, I mean, to be honest, they're both nice. I don't like them both. But look, at least you're getting hits in all of them. They're just not like the greatest. So you basically pulled all like black borders.
Yeah.
Alright, well thanks everyone for watching. Really appreciate it. If you haven't noticed, we've been doing a lot more shorts.
Yeah.
Trying to get those 10 million views. Thanks for all your support.
See ya. Peace.